Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Eklavya Kapoor, is going to tell you about National Thermal Engineers Day. So, what is National Thermal Engineers Day? To recognize the hard work and dedication of those in thermal engineering, the United States observed July 24 as the National Thermal Engineering Day. At HTRI, our mission supports the importance of thermal engineering. For over 55 years, our engineers have conducted studies on heat transfer and fluid flow. The reliable design and efficient performance of heat transfer equipment is an important contributor to sustainable economic activity in any process industry around the world. Thermal engineering encompasses a wide range of applications including food and beverage, chemical processing, oil and gas, and energy and power. The end goal for a thermal engineer is to deliver solutions to energy problems. With summer temperatures rising across the United States, it seems only fitting that we recognize all who are part of a profession that studies energy applications. To have thermal engineers out there, we thank you, especially those who study HVAC applications. As specially trained professionals, thermal engineers develop solutions to complex systems. At the same time, their focus may be on the mechanical, but thermal engineers also coordinate with other specialists. By combining communication and organization skills, these specialists ensure operations continue to run smoothly on a project. These skills bring a project to an economic and timely resolution. Their efforts create more efficient and innovative infrastructure. The results of their efforts are all around us every day. Of course, thermal engineers understand and work with heat management. That's what they do. They certainly don't sweat small stuff. So it only fits to recognize them on one of the hottest days of the year, July 24th. History of National Thermal Engineering Day. Ancient people linked heat with fire. Ancient Indians believed that heat was related to mythological origins, and Western philosophy believed all substances came from the four elements: water, air, earth, and of course, fire. They also eventually found ways to transfer this heat. Later in the early modern period, people thought that the heat was due to an invisible fluid, the name caloric. All bodies were believed to be capable of holding a certain amount of fluid, aka a heat capacity. Scientists in the 18th and 19th century abandoned this idea, understanding that heat was the result of system's internal energy. The discovery of thermal energy is commonly attributed to English physicist, mathematician, and brewer James Prescott Joule. He was reportedly experimenting with fluids, and while agitating one such fluid, he found that its temperature had increased. After working with his team on mechanical float, he discovered that the heat had been transferred. He had successfully converted mechanical energy into thermal energy. Joule's claim of being the first to make this discovery was disputed by a German physicist, Julius Robert von Mayer, who said that he had proposed the theory of heat and its transfer at least a year before Joule announced his theory. Eventually, Joule conceded to Mayer's claim, although he asserted that his experiments were what confirmed this theory. Despite this, most publications give primary recognition to Joule rather than Mayer. An American engineering and manufacturing company, Advanced Thermal Solutions Inclusive, wanted to raise awareness about thermal engineers and their contribution to the electronics and engineering industry. They believed in the importance of advancing industry, and thus they found the National Thermal Engineering Day. What is the importance of thermal engineers? Machine design. It develops a product from an idea. It deals with improvement, creation, and development of existing system from its working and conceptual level for the design of stuff in daily life. Example: design of an internal engine for an automobile, design of cantilever beam or machine element. Each and everything which is part of any complex engineering or system always passes through the design process. Manufacturing. Based on design data and its output, one can make that idea into product by manufacturing with proper specifications given on base, design, output, and make use of engineering materials. One can complete the product. Manufacturing involves many fabrications and joining processes. Thermal engineering. Thermal engineering involves the design, development, and analysis of any thermal or fluid flow problem. Example: cooling of microprocessor by CPU fan, cooling of foods by refrigeration, heat transfer in furnace, and etc. Hence, thermal engineering is a wide area with following subjects as its components: thermodynamics, heat and mass transfer, refrigeration.